Get it. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Let's go.
This is Just Talk Sneakers, a season 2 co-powered by Bicycle Playing Cards and Super Socks. And I'm your host Mihir Joshi, and I have two incredible guests with me today. One whom you have 100% encountered on social media in some form or the other. It's like almost impossible that you've not seen the content he's made. And the other who's been a part of the gaming scene, which has some of the most wild sneakerheads that you can imagine. He's been a part of the gaming scene for over 15 years. So help me welcome on the show Kamaljeet Singh and Aditya Shetty, whom you better know as Badshah. Welcome to the show, guys.
Hello guys.
Hi.
Nice to meet.
So, शुरुआत करते हैं भाई. First things first. We've known each other for a fairly long time. We keep bumping into each other at events. I just realized कि हमारी पहली जो मुलाकात हुई थी वो तो काफी टाइम बाद हुई, but we spoke on Instagram. 2023
Yeah.
And we've been talking I think about sneakers ever since. And I've seen, I remember you'd ask me what sneakers, ye kya hai, you'd seen my collection. So I've seen your sneaker collection grow through the content that you've been putting out. And Kamal, you've been a part of the gaming scene for a very, very long time. And I want to talk to both of you guys, but let's start off with you. With how did your love for sneakers begin? Like बचपन से ही sneakers का प्यार था या अभी recently थोड़े सालों पहले शुरू किया sneakers collect करना?
Back when I was a kid, बचपन में I used to see all these cool sneakers movies में या फिर I don't know तब available था कि नहीं था, but I think ये culture थोड़ा late आया हमारे यहाँ पे.
बिल्कुल.
But whenever I used to see all of those shoes and great sneakers, I used to be like यार ये मिलता कहाँ है? और काफ़ी टाइम तो ये सोचने में निकल गया कि मिलता का बाटा स्कूल का शू एंड यूज्ड टू बी जस्ट दैट या पैरागॉन का चप्पल. So it used to be very mild that way.
Right.
कुछ not so style oriented.
Correct.
Max to max वो Converse का कुछ ले लिया.
बराबर.
सामने का वो थोड़ा trend था. And then once ये store में आ गया and you need to know कि मुझे sneakers का कोई knowledge नहीं था. I just found it cool and I just wanted to like just have it. Like have one pair at least. So जब आया था the first I don't even remember Puma showroom का था वो, I mean Puma brand का ही था. I don't remember which one exactly. So मैं गया and I was like I'm gonna pick this. मैंने price देखा and I was like okay ये स्कूल का शू का दाम तो नहीं है.
हाँ.
And I was like इतना महंगा क्यों? वो दिन की बात है. Now I understand क्यों.
But you know what? I love this. ये हमारा आज का conversation इस topic के साथ शुरू हुआ है ना, ये बहुत important है because we have so many people who want to figure out कि यार मुझे भी sneakers खरीदने हैं. I want to be a sneakerhead. Where do I begin? Man, sneakers are so expensive. How do I get started off with it? So ये सारे जो सवाल है ये बहुत ही लॉजिकल, बहुत ही वैलिड सवाल है. एंड आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हु बीन इन द सीन और हु बीन अराउंड फॉर ओवर 15-20 इयर्स, सबके पास एट वन पॉइंट टाइम बाटा के जूते थे. स्कूल में जाने के लिए तो वही दैट वाज लाइक प्री रिक्विजिट. आजकल कैसे बच्चे स्कूल में भी एडिडास के जूते पहन के जाते हैं, बट बैक देन देयर वाज नो ऑप्शन, यही पहनते थे हम लोग. So it's nice that you began with those, but now I've seen the kind of sneakers that you've been wearing. I know you love foam runners, and he's got a funny story to tell us about foam runners. Come on, let's talk about the sneaker heads in the gaming community. मैंने देखा है कि यार बहुत सारे gamers जो है hardcore sneaker heads बन चुके हैं.
Yes.
So it's a two-part question because one is, I'm realizing that gamers are making a lot of money. They are the ones who are playing well, who are doing well, are making a lot of money, and they are deciding to spend a lot of that money on fashion, on sneakers, which is I think a very cool thing. And I know उनके जो fans हैं वो देख के शायद वो भी inspire हो रहे कि यार किसी दिन I also want to be wearing these kind of sneakers, So tell me how you've seen sneaker culture grow in the gaming community.
So it all started for us, especially post-COVID era. So there was a time when everybody had invested their time in gaming, सबको PUBG खेलना. Back then it was PUBG, then like you know FIFA. So nobody was able to do their like you know day-to-day jobs apart from gaming के लिए time निकाल ही रहे थे. There was a time कि घर वाले बोलते भाई तू गेम खेल ले कि तू बाहर मत जा, बच्चों को बोलते थे. Back then it was like जो भी मेरे players खरीदेंगे like you know लाइव स्ट्रीम्स पे आके अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे स्नीकर्स का, like you know they have purchased this streetwear, ये फैंसी स्नीकर. सो एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू गेट इंट्रीग्ड बाय लाइक यू नो वाचिंग. एंड फॉर अस हमारे लिए भी इंटरेस्ट कहाँ से आया, बिकॉज ये हमारे लिए बोल लो कि सबके लिए कोविड ना कौन था, हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा प्रो था. बिकॉज वो ऐसा टाइम था हमारे साथ हर कोई खेलना चाहता था गेम. बिकॉज being the best in the country, everybody wanted to play with the best in the country, be it rappers, be it cricketers, be it comedians, be it anybody who like you know who is into the pop culture or entertainment. सबको हमारे साथ खेलना था. So that's where I believe like you know cross collaborations के करके we got to know about like you know this is a whole vertical like you know streetwears है, fashion है, like you know sneakers है, through like you know cross collaborations.
Correct.
So this is one of the major reasons कि we gamers got introduced because of that.
Right.
And since then,
And
yeah,
it's just
gamers
grown.
have, I believe gamers have become the pioneers for sneaker industry because वो time से जो shopping या फिर जो purchases sneaker heads ने किए ना, I don't want to compare it with anyone, but gamers are like you know the one who are setting good examples.
I
hands
agree.
down.
I mean, I've seen. आप सब लोगों ने देखा होगा. You know, you've seen maybe on social media, on YouTube, collections of some of the top gamers in the country. It's insane. Like I recently met Willy Gaming.
Yeah.
उसका collection ज़बरदस्त है.
So
Goldie का
there is Goldie
ज़बरदस्त
Baji,
collection है.
एक bit Goldie Baji. There is Animesh, who also goes by Thug.
Yeah.
Then there is Jonathan. Then there is Mortal. Then there is like you know Clutch God.
Yeah,
there are
yeah.
so many people like you know जिनके पास like you know ये जितना बड़ा स्टूडियो उतना बड़ा उनका स्नीकर कलेक्शन है.
बादशाह और कमल के साथ और बातें करेंगे, बट बिफोर दैट आई गॉट टू शो देम समथिंग सुपर कूल. इंडियाज नंबर 1 socks brand, Super Socks, who are partnered with us. Guys, let me show you some of the most incredible socks that we can find in the country right now. Check it out. This is what I wanted to show you guys. India's number 1 socks brand. They've got amazing collabs with Marvel. They've got these funky designs. Not only do they look great, but they're actually super comfortable. You know I love Marvel too, just like you guys. I'm wearing a sock, you know, a pair of socks right now, which is here. Which is your favorite pair of socks? Tell me.
Iron Man.
Iron Man. What about you?
So not just one, the entire Avengers collection.
The entire Avengers collection. You actually got it right. I am wearing the Iron Man socks right now, and genuinely telling you, they are super comfortable. I mean, see, I love Marvel. I like my socks to be simple, so I've got my simple socks which I can get from their collection. But if you like your socks to speak much more than what you normally would, if you want them to be your personality, you've got such amazing, funky, colorful socks over here, like the yellow zebra ones, the pink flamingo ones, and there's literally a pair of socks for everybody in the world. You know, with the gifting season coming around, if you want to get great socks for your friends, you know where to go. You got to go to Super Socks, and I'm going to take care of my friends as well. I've got some socks that you're going to be taking home with you right now. Super Socks, the only socks that you will need all year long. Okay guys, we got to talk about you know, why you love foam runners so much. Like, in fact, मैंने देखा था your pinned reel on Instagram. I think that was with Vicky Kaushal ने content बनाया था. उसमें भी तुमने foam runners पहने थे. पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि why do you love foam runners so much? And you know, tell me about that story that we were talking about.
When you see foam runners, na, so yeah, it'll look really cool and stuff, and then people are blank. Okay, I like the idea about that. कि just stay mysterious, stay blank. नई idea तुम्हें, it's okay. Live with that now. That's the curse. So it's really nice, and plus it's very comfortable.
Yeah, you can be on your feet all day long.
Yeah, just slip your feet in. That's it.
So slipping your feet in is what caused that problem that Kamal was telling you. भाई क्या था बता दो एक बार.
So usually we go out on Saturday nights, you know, party के लिए वगैरह. So sometimes ऐसा भी होता है कि इसके foam runners के करके ना क्लब में एंट्री नहीं मिल पाती यार हम लोग को ना. Then I have to call like you know somebody from the top management या friend, सिफारिश लगाओ, favor लो यार please यार दोस्त ने.
और क्यों करना पड़ रहा है सब? Not because जो महंगे ही पहन लिए जो उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अब there is a scene जहाँ पे you know मैं और ये खड़े हैं and the bouncer is standing there. Nice guy, cute bouncer, just if you're watching this. And he's like, chappal allowed नहीं है. एक सेकेंड, चप्पल, ये चप्पल है यार, यहाँ पे मैं पता नहीं कितना 20-30 हज़ार देके हुए चप्पल. And then it's like नहीं ये allowed नहीं है. अच्छा तो क्या allowed है? वो जो his point हम दोनों देख रहे हैं वहाँ पे जो कोई पहन के जा रहा है जूता, गुड, अच्छे हैं, प्यारे जूते हैं. मेरे 3 गुना ज़्यादा महंगा उससे है.
आजकल ना लोग स्नीकर्स ऐसे ले रहे हैं जो उनको जस्ट देख के पसंद आ रहे, नॉट नेसेसरी कि यार इसका रीसेल वैल्यू क्या होगा, यार ये इतने महंगे हैं इसीलिए मैंने लिए. लाइक सम स्नीकर्स आर नॉट नेसेसरली वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बट बिकॉज यू फॉल इन लव विद देम यू बाय देम, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लव अबाउट योर स्नीकर कलेक्शन एंड हाउ यू काइंड ऑफ ग्रोन इट over the years. Now, did you imagine that you would land up meeting so many actors, creating content with them, making reels with them? ये कभी सोचा था कि ये होने वाला है?
नहीं, honestly I never really thought कि I would end up with content. Content just happened, out of nowhere things just happened, but it was never really planned or anything as such. So it was super random, and I think lockdown के time में when everyone's gotten like into reboot system mode, so मेरा ऐसा था कि I was trying to do something that I always loved, Bollywood impersonations, mimicry and stuff. And ये करते करते I just made a video. I just changed the whole thing, like I dubbed the whole video and then I just changed. And ये जब मैंने डाला ये फटा and people loved it. I went through those comments and stuff. That's when I realized these guys don't just like my mimicry skills, they also like my comedy in it.
Humor,
like the timing and stuff. Humor बहुत important.
यही तो हुआ था ना. That's how I connected with you. I remember 2.5 years ago, I just dropped you a message saying that that's hilarious, man. I can't even remember what reel it was, but you made so many hilarious reels, like really funny reels. Now, of all the actors that you've met, okay, who do you think has the best sneaker collection?
People that I have met, I think Vicky has a very good collection.
Vicky Kaushal has a good collection. And of all the people whose voices you have imitated, who do you think is like Ranbir, huh?
Like a lot of people know he's a sneakerhead.
Ranbir is a massive sneakerhead.
Yeah.
So now imagine you had to talk to one of these guys, or imagine there's a conversation happening between 2 really famous actors who are sneakerheads.
Ranbir, Hrithik.
Huh. In fact, Hrithik has his own sneaker brand.
HRX.
Yeah. So not only in fact Ranbir has Arcs and Hrithik has HRX. Let's imagine a conversation between the two of them where they are trying to tell you that this is the sneaker you should buy. Imagine they are trying to sell you the sneaker.
There's Hrithik here, and then there's Ranbir. Bollywood Shark Tank हो गया ये. So Ranbir he's trying to sell, and even Hrithik is trying to sell. Ranbir is like, Bacha, I just want to say one thing. कि मेरा अगर तू स्नीकर पहनेगा ना, ट्रस्ट मी, तेरे जूते का जो आर्क है ना और तेरे पैर का आर्क दोनों को मैच कर देंगे. केएल सारा आर्क का है बॉस, तो एक बार ये पहन ले, मेरे चीते मेरे शेर. एंड देन ऋतिक कम्स इन, होल्ड माय HRX. सी आई जस्ट वांट टू से वन थिंग, जूते जब बनते हैं वो नॉर्मली बनता ही, but mine is something very different because this is customized by जादू. ये सीधा बाहर से आया है. This is out of the world in true sense because it actually is.
That's awesome, man. That's really cool. To find out everything you want to know about gamers, especially the gamers who are a part of Godlike, just search for Godlike Esports on Instagram. Follow them, follow Kamaljeet as well. He's been putting out some awesome content. In fact, अभी मैंने देखा एक reel इन्होंने बनाया था with Badshah. Speaking of Badshah, we've got Badshah here. Let's find out a little bit more about your collection now, okay? If I had to ask you, what's your favorite sneaker in your collection? What is that?
Up Tempo.
The
Nike Air.
The Nike Air Up Tempo.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the most recent sneaker that you picked up?
Recent Sambas.
You picked up the Adidas Sambas.
Yeah.
And did you pick it up specifically thinking about the fact that you're going to be wearing it today, because that's the story I heard right now?
So I was on a call with Kamal. So I was in Bangalore. I had worked there, so I was not in Bombay, so I was in Bangalore. And I was like talking to Kamal, and Kamal was like, see, the show is all about sneakers and stuff like that. So तू एक काम कर, तू कुछ नया ले.
हाँ.
I'm like, एक सेकंड, मेरे पास तो है, तो मैं वही ले. अरे तू कब तक वो तो हर जगह पहना है, प्रीमियर्स पे पहना है, इवेंट्स पे पहना है. अरे तो क्या मतलब पहनूं नहीं, बट समझ रहा ना, तू स्नीकर के शो पे जा रहा है, तो एक नया कुछ जो मतलब ऑडियंस को सरप्राइज, ओह वाह ये क्या हो गया, गुड मॉर्निंग. सो समथिंग न्यू. समवेयर यू आल्सो केम टू मी बिकॉज आई हैव सम डिसेंट गुड कलेक्शंस. लाइक ओके, आई विल गेट समथिंग. एंड मैंने पूछा भी था क्या, मैं सोच रहा हूँ सांबास लूँ, बिकॉज मैं बहुत पहले भी एक बार सोचा सांबा नहीं है यार, सांबास लेना मेरे को. सांबा छी, मैं सांबास को नहीं गिनता ये इसमें उसमें. एंड आई डोंट नो, मेरे अंदर वो एडिडास का वो रूह आ गया था, एंड आई वाज लाइक अब तो सांबास ही लूँगा.
No, but they are a very cool pair of sneakers, and you know, पिछले साल अगर देखो तो everybody in the world, the biggest models, the biggest celebrities were all styling Sambas. What I want to try to do right now is, you know, you told me one of the first places you visited was a Puma store, and I think Puma sneakers are super trendy right now. जैसे पिछले साल सब लोग Sambas पहन रहे थे, I think everybody is into Puma, especially the Puma Palermo and the Speed Cat. And there's another one of their sneakers called Mostro, which I personally like. So I want to show you these sneakers, and I want your reactions to them as actors. So let's try with the first one. This is shiny and bright, makes me think of Ranveer. Reaction to this sneaker as Ranveer.
क्या बात कर रहे हो बाबा, मेरे लिए अपना टाइम आएगा, मैं ये वाला पहनेगा, बच्चे के लिए भी सीधा दीपू के लिए लाएगा.
Alright, we are going to keep this, and we are going to get your reaction to this pair, which I think is fantastic. But imagine Salman Khan reacting to this.
So with Salman Bhaijan na, it's even if he likes it, he's not going to be so
expressive.
He is going to be expressive, but you just won't be able to know if it is something that he approves. Like he does, but it's going to be like, अच्छा है. Too much fun.
That's brilliant, man. And here's the third one. Now, this one is classic, very clean, and I'm thinking about Jackie Shroff with this. How would he react to it?
So Jackie Dada would be like, बच्चे यो दिख रहा है ना ब्रो, यार ऐसा तेज जाने का, ऐसा फेरारी माफिक लग रहा है मेरे को, लेकिन सवाल एक नंबर बाबा. अपने ज़माने में तो ये सब नहीं मिलता था, अभी अपने को जो मिल रहा है, टाइगर का साइज का है क्या?
For everybody watching right now, please follow Kamaljeet, follow Godlike, and follow Badshah on Instagram as well. Tons of fun. All of their content is absolutely brilliant. And speaking of brilliant things, I have something that I want to gift you. Something that our partners at Bicycle Cards have got for you. And this is a company that's been around since 1885, man. The #1 card company in the world. Like, their cards are used by literally everybody. Every magician that you can think of. Every major magician in the world uses Bicycle Cards. I mean, their cards their cards have actually been sent in space on NASA missions since 1970s. Yeah, man, they're sold in over 88 countries across all 7 continents, like literally, and they've been there in some of your favorite TV shows that you can think of. You've probably seen their cards. The recent movie that just came out, Now You See Me.
Now You See Me, Now You Don't.
Yeah, exactly. In fact, I remember we were there for
Yeah.
the movie premiere as well, and the cards that you see being used are all Bicycle Cards. So I have a special hamper for you from my friends at Bicycle Cards. Here's a special hamper from my friends at Bicycle Playing Cards for you. Go ahead, open it up, check it out. So you got some special decks that we put out for you. One, they've got a lot of awesome decks that they've done with Disney. So this is the Goofy one for you, which I thought would be perfect. Here's the 140th anniversary card deck, and Something special for you? Cocktail
This
recipes?
looks really cool.
Yeah, man.
Match style.
Yeah, full on, and their cards are incredible. They've got something called air cushion finish, because of which the cards never stick to each other. Really cool cards. Hope you enjoyed these. But the gifts don't stop there, brother. We've got something else for you. My friends at Culture Circle have got something special for you. Now, I know you're a Lakers fan, right? I mean, like, I know today you're wearing a Chicago Bulls cap, but I know you're a Lakers fan and one of the greatest Laker player of all time. One of my favorites is Kobe Bryant. I think you figured it out because of the scales, the Mamba scales over here. So we got a pair of Kobe's for you, and of course a hoodie here as well. But I'd love to see what you think about the sneakers.
I'm going to see this for the first time in सबके सामने.
Go for it.
Whoa!
Lakers colorway. We've got the gold, we've got the purple, and we've got Kobe's autograph at the bottom. So,
Okay, yeah.
man, I think these are fantastic sneakers, and if you want anything hype, if you want sneakers, you want some really cool things, number one app for all things cool culture is Culture Circle. Check them out. Thank you, Culture Circle, for hooking up my boy here with these amazing Kobe sneakers. But hey, I hope you enjoy these sneakers. I hope to see you.
I have like Lakers ka pura set and the cap, and my
Didn't
audience.
you say you picked up some Kobe related merch?
Yes, I did. So this basically
Completes the set.
color thing set.
Fantastic. Before you leave, for all your fans, people who've been following you, the amount of love that you have received on social media, is there something, a message that you want to give to all the people who've supported you for so many years, and for all the incredible actors who've shown you so much love? कुछ कहना है उनको?
I would like to thank everyone and all my fans and all my followers and all the people who love my content and who always appreciated, supported, and all the actors who've been really sweet and supportive and who've seen my journey as a creator, as a person who makes fun content, comedy stuff and comedy content. Yeah, I've gotten to learn a lot. But आज अगर मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूँगा, saying everything, I'll just one good line. Follow your dreams. Trust me, one day your favorite sneakers will follow you.
Yeah, I love that, man. Thank you so much for being here with me, brother. That's pretty much all the time we have for now. This is Just Talk Sneakers Season 2, co-powered by Bicycle Playing Cards and Super Socks. I'm your host, Mihir Joshi. I'll see you very soon.
Let's get it.